click on the field, and at the top of this gray area, I edit where the caret is blinking. And that's the way to name things, elements. And we have what to talk about. To build prompt, the real prompt. So I go back to workflows, putting workflows up there, and then I find the generate flow, and step 1. Alright, actually doing it here. So here we have it, and we are here. So go to your button, I can show you. Click on your generate button, and then edit the workflow, and click on step 1. And you should have this arbitrary text, because we did that before. Clicking that should open this where you have your static text. And up here, and let's press that. And then the Bubble expression builder comes into play again. And Bubble asks us, yeah, I can do stuff for you. What do you want to do? And what we want to do is we want to put the sender. I call my input sender. Maybe you called it something else. Then you can type that in. And Bubble finds that input for me, the sender. And I click that. And then I click the value. So find your field for sender information. That will give you a list. On top of that list is the word value, and click that, and if you click outside it should turn blue. So what I did now was say that inside this text thing, insert whatever the user has written.
Hello. Is it on? Yeah, it's on.
Yes.
Is this? Oh my God. Is this better?
Yes, it is.
Ah, okay. Thank you, John. All right. So I'll use this. Okay. So this is we are now inserting that input value into the static prompt text. This will be when the user clicks the generate button at that very specific point in time. Bubble will build this prompt for us with the white static text and then just putting the other, the sender's value in there for us and then sending it away to OpenAI. So we're making this prompt dynamic. And so what we do now is that we do the same with the rest. So I insert dynamic value, and that is, or I think I call it audience. Yeah, audience value. So now I got that. And then I will insert, lastly, this is demands. I call that demands. You might call it something else. So the goal now is for in your app, same aside. Of course, it will be your names here. So I'll give you a minute or two to do that, and please hold down. There's a tiny trick left. And just remove that. So, sorry. So if you are in arbitrary text, click close, just to close it, because now we're done. Good job. So we close that. And that should put you in this position where it's yellow, where yellow means Bubble is asking you, do you want anything else? If not, just click outside. But you can do more stuff. Bubble is like, yeah, want to do anything else. And we actually do. Feed them little things to make them happy. And we're now going to feed this a little thing to make it happy. And that is, if I here type JSON, I will get this formatted as JSON safe. You don't have to understand what that is. But when I click it, and I click outside, it goes blue. And that means that Bubble will take the arbitrary text, which is the prompt that we built with static text and dynamic text, and it will make it perfect for sending over the internet. That is what that last thing does. It comes up, fixes that, formats it, if you like. That is actually that. So I'll preview my app, because I built this alongside you now. So if I run my first and it's not working, you can let me instead. All right. So I'm prepared. I have prepared text in my boxes. I can write anything, but I have a prepared text. So I want a stand-up comedian to tell a joke to children age 10 in max 50 words about sun and sea. So let's see if we can get that. Yeah. Hey kids, ever wonder why the sun never goes swimming in the sea? Rainbow. So this is, now my app is complete. What it does, it takes the input from the input field, builds a complex prompt, sends it to OpenAI, and gets a response. And if you change something, the content should include, is about summer instead. We generate that. And ChatGPT starts talking about summer. So now we have created our own ChatGPT, but where we can tailor what we want it to do in a more detailed way. Who is talking, who is going to listen to this, what is going to be about, and stuff like that. So we are helping the user creating the prompt, because creating a prompt just from scratch yourself is not that easy. So that's what we've done. So just fill out this and we will do the rest. So, is it working on your apps? Great.